Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, February 22nd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day here. Very similar trade in these grain markets to what you saw yesterday. Corn, wheat, both slightly higher, but soybeans ended up slightly lower. Down 3.5 cents in soybeans. This is the fourth day in a row now that you've had trading lower in soybeans. Though it hasn't been anything too major as far as that selling goes, you still are closing on the negative side of things, and it's just looking like they're running out of a little bit of steam, where you see both wheat and corn really being able to separate itself from soybeans, posting about a penny or two higher in corn, anywhere from 3 to 4 higher in wheat market. This might be an indication that you're looking for those markets to try and buy some acres here. We have estimates out that are strong on the side of soybeans, but you could be seeing these try to buy some acres. Now, Outlook Forum comes out tomorrow and Friday. They'll be meeting, and really what they do is they just offer some details, some indications of what they expect to see yield be at trendline yield, what they expect to see demand structure be like, what they expect to see acre numbers at. These are not finalized numbers. These are not hard numbers that you can go off, but they give a little bit of indication what they might be thinking come out of the end of March for your planting intentions report. Now, then after this comes out, you have a whole month to really adjust those, bid for acres if you don't like those acre numbers that you see. So the next 2 days we'll be getting a lot of information from that Outlook Forum, and then Friday is going to be export sales. Those will offer a lot of details as well. We did have a cancellation here come out this morning in corn. It was a very small cancellation, and it's rumored that you have some buying come into the corn market as well, so it didn't really affect it too much. One thing to note is this market's waiting to see some cancellations for soybeans. Now, China's been big buyers. Pretty soon they're going to shut off completely from the US and go over to South America, and typically we catch a couple cancellations along the way. We have not seen them yet, and it'll be interesting to see if we do see them at all here this year. Moving into the meat markets, both live cattle, feeder cattle slightly higher, nothing too major, though you did have separation here into that February contract on live cattle, and then lean hogs, a pretty brutal day there once again, being down over $2 there. Outside markets, crude was down about 70 to 80 cents majority of the day. Dollar was just a little bit weaker as well. Dow fluctuated anywhere from 20 to about 50 cents higher majority of the day here as it continues to kind of chop towards that top end of the range and really try to make new highs daily. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.